Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk through how to enable automatic downloads on Google Chrome. This quick update will make your browsing experience smoother and save you time when downloading files from your favorite websites. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser on your device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so the settings appear exactly as shown in this tutorial. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. That's the Chrome menu button. Tap those three dots to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can customize how Chrome behaves on your device. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll again until you find the option labeled Site Settings. Tap on that to open a list of permissions and controls related to the websites you visit. Now, look for the option that says Automatic Download. It might be grouped under the section that deals with permissions or content. Tap on Automatic Download to open it. Inside this section, you'll see a toggle switch. By default, it's usually turned off, meaning Chrome will ask for permission each time a website tries to download multiple files. To save time and avoid those constant prompts, simply toggle the switch on. When the switch is on, Chrome will automatically allow sites to download multiple files at once, without asking you each time.